nursing. It is with great reverence and respect that we introduce the woman of healthcare. Her tireless dedication, unshakable resolve, and unwavering commitment to caring for the sick and wounded during the Crimean War earned her the well-deserved title of the Lady with the Lamp. It was amidst the darkest hours of war, in the dimly lit barracks and hospital tents, that Florence Nightingale's luminous presence shone the brightest. Armed not with weapons, but with compassion, knowledge, and ever-glowing lamp, she brought comfort and solace to countless soldiers in their moments of agony and despair. The Florence Nightingale lamp, like a guardian angel's wings, reminds us that nursing is not merely a profession. It is a sacred calling, a journey of the heart, and a promise to be a source of comfort and solace to those in need. To our beloved student nurses, as you prepare to receive your lamps, caps, and pins today, remember that you are stepping into a path illuminated by the grace of Florence Nightingale. You are the torchbearers of her legacy, entrusted with a sacred duty to care, to heal, and to offer solace. Dr. Janelle Castro, who will assume the role of Florence Nightingale during this special candlelighting and capping ceremony. In Dr. Castro's capable hands, we trust that the legacy of Florence Nightingale will be honored and celebrated this afternoon, just as it's celebrated every day through the compassionate care provided by the nurses around the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, let us extend our heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Janelle Castro for her unwavering commitment to the nursing profession and her willingness to embrace the role of Florence Nightingale, illuminating our student nurses' path forward with a radiant light of compassion and excellence.